Welcome back, YouTubers. I'm Mr. Grit, straight from the 80 Grit Studios, better known as my kitchen. Today, we're making pastrami. What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you how to take a store-bought corned beef and turn it into homemade pastrami. Easy, simple, and I'll show you how it's done on the ugly drum smoker. So you just hold on and I'll get you all set up. You got your basket. Basket is mixed between Kingsford. It'll hold a big old bag of Kingsford. I got some pecan and I got some cherry in it. So I kind of mixed it all together. Very self-efficient, works itself way down to the top. Now I'm going to put the hot coals that I got on the Weber and put it on top. Almost done. Take off her lid. We're going to put the basket in so that way we can bring it up to temp, and then we'll add another layer of wood on it and then put our trays in and we'll put our pastrami on. Open up our vents. Put the lid back on. Open the top and let it bring up to temp. So while that's getting up to temp, I'm going to show you what I all did with the corned beef. You ready? Check this out. Okay. I took two. Yeah, we're cooking two. I'm gonna slice some and give up some guys from my work because they want like, when you make a pastrami, yeah. All right, so I'm making two and vacuum sealing those and giving to some guys at work. So hopefully they can quit the bitching. But a normal corned beef, you can get them cheap, especially this time of the year near St. Patty's Day, hence the silly goofy hat. Try to put some spice in this. So we took that packer and we soaked it in water 30 minutes per pound to help draw out some of that salt. It helps. I took black pepper, fresh cracked coriander, a little bit of garlic salt, not garlic salt, my apologies, garlic powder and onion powder, and I just packed it on it after I pulled it out and rinsed the meat. Packed it on there over while it was wet, sat it in the fridge overnight, and this is what I get. Perfect. Nice, little firm. It's been coming up to room temperature while I'm bringing up the temperature on the drum. Hopefully this comes out good because this is totally different. And I'd never made this rub before. I made pastrami, but not this rub. So let's check this out, and I'll put it on the drum for you, and we'll get you cooking. So now we got the meat on the smoker, and it's up to temp. Right, I'll show you what I'm looking at. Slowly bringing up the temperature. It's getting right there. Y valve. Just open this. Remember, don't do this all the time, because if you're looking, you ain't cooking. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, now we wait to 165. So the meat is finally 165. I pulled it off, and this is what we got. Good bark, sitting it there. We're gonna let it sit. We're gonna let that sit for 30, maybe an hour. We're gonna let it firm up real good before we slice it. Since it's already been cured in salt, it's already done. It's 165. So we're gonna let it sit. And later, we're gonna slice it, we're gonna steam it, and we're gonna put it on a sandwich. So tell me what you think later. All right, check it out, just wait. All right, everybody, we took the 2 corned beef packers. We sliced it thin. There's a lot. So there's 2 ways you can heat it up. It's better warm, of course. You can either steam it, or you can wrap it up in a warm paper towel until it gets that texture. You can warm it up. Whatever which way you would like. It's your 2 options: steam it or wrap it in a paper towel. So I'm going to enjoy this. As you can see, nice and tender. Very good. So next time, check it out. Okay, so we thin sliced it, we steamed it, and we sliced some onions too. So check this out. Bam! So next time, I'm Mr. Grit.